your positive energy, your vibes, your hope, your belief, your support. That's what keeps me going. Not only today only, but every day, baby. Barbara, Sammy, Sandra, Deborah, Tanya, love you all in every single way. The crow flies straight on the Tele Tuesday, baby. On a Tele Tuesday, Aunt Michelle, love you. Booyah. We'll have some coffee. Keep it warm in Florida, because we are live, baby. Live, baby. Come on, live, baby. You never leave my side, and you never abandon me, and I appreciate that. I love you all. Bottom of my heart. Bang, bang. Here comes the birthday girl. Yes, indeed. No matter the weather, no matter the case, it is that positivity, that hope, that belief. Sammy, Sandra, love you. And you know, crow flies straight, because you just need to the Tuesday. Bang, bang. Hope you have a beautiful day. Barbara, love you. Yes, indeed. Heart and soul, that's what you see. Heart and soul is what you get. And I appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all. Thank you. Positivity. Vibes every day. As long as you keep me uplifted and keep your spirits going, there ain't no spirit. I'll keep dancing. Guaranteed it, baby. Because I have fun with it. Because you guys inspire me to do it. So thank you all. Deborah, love you, brother. Love you, baby. It is a beautiful day. Today. Sing, relax, have some fun. And Aunt Michelle, I appreciate you, sweet sister. Second to none. So we can dance. Man. Oh, yes, indeed. It is the best life ever with friends like you. So get up, have some fun, take care of each other. Love ya.